Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assembling essentials and making the first entries. Gather Form 1099's bank records and receipts so income and expenses match. Choose and record your accounting method, cash or accrual, because that decision affects timing. Enter your business name, EIN or SSN, principal business code, and accounting year at the top of Schedule C. Once done, total gross receipts and returns, and subtract cost of goods, sold if applicable, so you can compute gross income. You now map income and expense details to Schedule C lines. Enter gross receipts on line 1, then subtract returns and allowances. Make sure your totals match bank deposits. If you sell inventory, complete the cost of goods sold section with beginning and ending inventory and purchases. Next, allocate operating expenses to their specific lines: advertising, car and truck, rent, utilities, and wages, because accurate categorization lowers audit risk and ensures you capture deductible business costs. You finish by calculating net profit or loss on line 31 and transferring it to Form 1040 Schedule 1. Attach supporting forms such as Form 4562 for depreciation and Form 8829 for a home office deduction when used. Sign, date, and file on time. Retain records for several years. If numbers don't reconcile, double-check math, match receipts to ledger entries, and reconcile bank statements. If problems persist, consider a tax pro to review adjustments before an...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.